Guys, today we're talking about a strobe accessory for the DJI Mini 2. So the DJI Mini 2 has got the new light on the front of it, which we all like, and it's also got the same lights on the back as a Mavic Mini, but you can get additional lights to make this a lot brighter. So today we're going to be looking at this strobe light from Ulanzi, and this is excellent, and it also changes colour just by clicking it. You can have white, green or red. I have found at night the white is the brightest out of the three, but they're all equally bright and it makes such a massive difference, as you'll see from this video today. So it is pitch black. The iPhone is doing a fantastic job of making that scene look brighter than it is. But we're going to be flying this drone today on the beach, going to fly it out to sea first of all and then over the town and show you just how bright it is with this strobe light. So let's get going. So the drone is now equipped with that strobe on the top. It's also got a 3M Velcro fastener, so you don't have to have it on all the time. You can just pull it off when you're not using it. And then we're going to send it straight out to sea. Away we go. Alright guys, so this is what the drone can see now. This is direct on my phone. So I've got it in 4K 24. You can see in the distance that really nice red looking sky in the distance on the horizon level. But obviously it's really dark. As you can see, I'm actually flying it over sea now. And this is the 4K image, so you can tell it is really dark. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep on flying over the sea and then switch over to the camera and you'll be able to see the drone in the distance. So let's switch over now. So you can see it there in the green circle, that blinking light, and it is actually flying away from me. So the light is positioned at the very front of the drone and you're still able to clearly see that. I know we're not that far away yet, but that is really bright, so much brighter. I can't see any other lights on that drone flashing, to be honest, from this distance, but I can clearly see that white strobe light. So let's continue going out to sea now, just over 200 meters away now. Again, you can see it's really dark. There's no light at all being emitted, and the picture from the drone is obviously extremely dark. Even that 4K image, it doesn't pick up a lot of detail because of how it is. So we're going to keep on going out 300 meters now, and then once we get to around about 400 meters, we'll flick back over now to the camera again, and then you'll be really surprised. Just by moving it over to the camera, you can clearly see what I can see, which is that white flashing light within that green circle. And this is through the actual phone as well, so obviously in real life you can see it a lot clearer, but you're still able to see that white flashing light in the distance. For an accessory, a really cheap accessory like this, it makes such a massive difference when flying at night. But what about at 500 meters? So we're up to the 500 meter mark now. So what we'll do is we'll just stop there, switch over to the phone, again put it onto video mode, and can you see it? I can. If you look at the focus box there, you'll see that flashing light, and again through the 4K feed within that green circle, again you can see that white blinking light, and this is facing away from me and you can still see it. If you turn the drone around, it's really obvious. So let's get that drone back in now. That proves that point, and then we're going to be flying, showing you some really nice shots over this town, all in 4K on the DJI Mini 2. This drone is just so good. I just love flying this drone. So it's coming back to the shoreline now, and as it was actually descending, a couple were near me and they went, "Is that a little UFO? What the hell's that?" They didn't realise it was actually a drone because it was just so bright. It looks bright on this picture now as you see it coming over, but in real life that strobe is so great. What a brilliant accessory. I'm going to link it in the description and also talk about at the end of how you can get it if you want to pick this up. You know, it's been a minute since I've flown this DJI Mini 2, and God, it's so good. As soon as you actually come back to this, flying this, you're just amazed at just how great this little drone is, and little accessories like this make it even better. So I'm going to be flying now over this town, heading straight down that road to start with, and a few people ask me, how are your night shots so good? Look, I know you're so good and everything, but how can I do them? So make sure that you've got it in 4K 24. If your phone or your computer can handle it, by having it 4K 24 at night, you're going to get the best quality. If you can't, then actually try and get as low as you possibly can, but 4K 24 is the best that I recommend. And aside from some street lights here, you can see that that picture is really good in really dark conditions. The DJI Mini 2, I just think for the price point, the quality of it at night, I just love flying at night, more so sometimes than actually in the day. Everything just looks more cinematic and calmer, and it brings back some GTA vibes. So if you know what I mean, please comment them down below. But yeah, have it in 4K 24, but a bright strobe like this is excellent. I can actually just remove this because it's just Velcro in the daytime and then just stick it back on at night. So it's really, really versatile and a great accessory. These and ND filters are all you need for this DJI Mini 2. Just makes this drone even better, and it's definitely my favorite drone to fly. I will end with a cheeky return to home. You know what? I didn't use a return to home hardly ever, and I use it, God, quite a lot now, maybe every flight. So let's do a return to home. It's going to go back straight to where I was, but again, with the latest update we've now got, you can control the orientation of the drone. So as you're now coming back, you can actually turn it. So I'm just turning it to the left hand side here, and by being creative and a bit savvy, you can get a shot like this. For a drone this size, £419 or dollars, to be able to do this years ago, I would absolutely say you're insane. But wow, I absolutely love this drone, my favourite drone. And you know what? The DJI Mavic Air 2 is no longer in my arsenal. I've sold it, maybe for another reason coming up soon, but this drone is all you need. Want another go on this? Let's get it a little bit lower now and we'll come back a different angle. Who doesn't like flying at night? Look at this. This is from the actual drone, 4K 24 with a tiny sensor on this drone. Absolutely amazing drone. If you've got the budget, this is the drone that you need. The sports mode, let's put it into sports mode now because I'm not happy that that car there is going a bit faster than us. So let's try and sort that out. But I hope you've enjoyed the video, guys, today, and got some really nice shots with this. I just love flying at night. Go and enjoy your drone. Fly if you can at night in your country and you'll get really nice shots. No way that car was going to beat us. So I hope you enjoyed that, guys. Get this drone coming back to us now. Look how bright that little strobe is. Go and buy it. It's in the description below. And well done to Flying with KB, who guessed what this accessory was on the drone. Was it a camera or was it a strobe? This is the description here. It's currently $27.95 on Amazon Prime. You can go pick this up for next day delivery. Links in the description below. Really great accessory. All you need, guys, is that and some ND filters. Don't buy anything else. Brilliant drone. Love this drone. I'm so glad to be flying back with this again, and I'll see you guys very soon. If you like this, please like and subscribe. It helps the channel out a lot. You guys are awesome. Take care. Bye bye.